I had a big thing of coffee this morning and my heart is flying. Anyway, welcome back to today's video. We're about to go to the grocery store and I probably won't take this camera with me. I'll probably use my iPhone like I did in the clip yesterday. Hey, we're leaving to go to the store. This is what's probably wrong with my car. This driveway is very bumpy. Hey there, I'm back. I did go to the grocery store. I did not get the camera out or my phone because I'm a little bit shy about it. One of these days, we're gonna walk around and shop together. Okay, just give it some time. I do have my little microphone here because I'm gonna see if the audio is any better. The plan right now, I'm about to vacuum the floors. Exciting stuff, I know. I got my Swiffer vac charging and I'm going to vacuum the floors. Almost all the laundry's caught up. I plan on cleaning the bathrooms tomorrow. Here lately, I'm really having to edit the video, put it up because it takes forever since our hotspot is out of order or ran out, whatever. It's not ran out. I can still use the hotspot. It's just much slower. But it's okay. It's gonna be fine. I don't think it's supposed to rain today. That's a positive. It's cloudy and a little bit breezy, but other than that, it's kind of pretty out there. Looks a little bit hot. It was hot when I went to the store today. Hey there. We've had a lot of little spiders, and we've had a lot of little centipedes. So I just called the bug man, and I was like, look, we're due here for this service, and I'm ready for you. So they come in sometime on Thursday, and they gonna come spray the house. I don't like them spiders. I don't like them spiders at all. Not at all. Not at all, Avanti. Yeah. Little Starbucks humor there. Which them coming Thursday gives me a little bit of motivation to get the house cleaned up a little bit better. She's all charged up. Let's do some vacuuming. Yeah. Woo! Vacuuming! Woo! Just in time it died.